When it has the two lines, that means it's recording. Or when it's...
Hi, my name is Jaden, and this is my mom. Hi, this is my baby sister. She's always crazy and she's curious. And Daddy's over there. Let's see the front door.
Okay, go show Daddy. Don't cover the...
And I'm going to show you what Daddy is. Look. See? A big monster with a big nose. See? That's Daddy. Does he look so adorable? Go back to my mom. Let's see. Then here's the movie. See the movie? Crayon. Okay. Bye-bye. The end. And that was Joey Burke.